Well, this might be why it's called Rocky River. Sure looks rocky and looks like a river. G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. So another day, another adventure ride. Currently out near Tenterfield. Tenterfield's about 20-25 kilometers back that way. Just come from there, and I'm doing the Rocky River track. I've heard plenty about this track from other people, but I've never actually done it myself. Don't exactly know what to expect, if it's going to be hard or easy, scenic, what really is going to happen at all. Come with me guys, let's see what we can get up to. I'm sure it'll be fun either way. So as always, I've stitched myself up here. Oh, I've come down the side of this little well, now I've definitely stitched myself up. I was just saying I've stitched myself up because I've come down in here and there's a big lip to get back down the road, but now I've just ripped my saddlebag off there, which is not ideal. I'm gonna have to fix that before we even go anywhere. Let's try again. I've just put that zipper through there. Hopefully that'll hold it down. I think I might have some zip ties underneath the seat, but I don't really want to have to pull all that out. So if that holds, we'll run with that. Yeah, as I was saying, I've got this big step here, which is pretty decent. So I'm gonna have to just go back and try and jump off over here. It's too big at that end, so wish me luck. And the reason I fell over is because this is so slippery. Oh, there's the thing off my back. Shove that down in there. Yeah, the reason I fell over in that is because it's so slippery. The weight of the bike went, my feet went. Let's try again. We're gonna just try and right off the edge of this. And I just tipped heaps of fuel out too, so that's always great. Maybe I can just keep doing that and spin around. Oh, well, it didn't go to plan. Oh, we got there. Well, welcome to the video, guys. Yeah, you can see that big lip there. I parked in there to get a good shot for the intro to the video, and what do you get? A drop bike. Plenty of fun. Oh god. Typical me fashion. Start the video off with the stuff up. Let's get into it. This road looks like it's been getting a bit of work done, so I don't know if there's any machines out here at the moment, but this is Billarimba Road, and then at some point I believe it turns to Rocky River Road. Detour. Alright. I reckon I could have got across that one, but maybe not in the car, 4-wheel drive. Still on Billarimba Road. I don't know where this Rocky River Road is. How good is this? This is my kind of adventure riding. Beautiful, man. Wow. So you've got Upper Rocky River Road that way. Oh, get out, stand. Bellerimba Road I just came from. We're heading towards Drake. Rocky River Road that way. Rain damaged road next 34 kilometres. Perfect. And also the tropical soda apple must be eradicated. I'll keep an eye out. Well, this might be why it's called Rocky River. Sure looks rocky and looks like a river. Tempting for a swim. It's very tempting, but I've still got a fair way to go to get home today, so don't know if I'll get home before dark if I hang around too long here. But man, it's beautiful out here. It's just nice to be out in nature, isn't it? Bit of a reset, bit of a refresh. Let's keep on moving. So this track just snakes along the river, up and down along the side of it. So beautiful. I mean, look at all these rocks. Clearly it's why it's a Rocky River Road, but man, it looks awesome. Would have been cool to be out here last year when we had all that rain to see how much water would have been going down there. So I reckon there would have been lots of those rocks would have been underwater. Pretty cool. I think I'm pretty well due for a new rear tyre. I don't think this track is that slippery. It's a little bit, but this back tyre is just spinning on everything. You'll be on camera now.
Oh, will I?
Yeah. There you go, mate. This is what happens when you make YouTube videos. People recognise you.
Yeah.
I went on a cruise the other week and I was just standing in line for food and this random guy goes, "Hey, how you going?" Like, he'd known me and I'm like, "Who are you?" And he's like, "I've seen your videos." I'm like, "Oh crap." Alright guys, see you later. Come on guys. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Come on, cows. You're always in my way. Get out of the way of my manly horn. This is definitely one of the better tracks I've done recently. Wish it was a bit closer to home. I'd do this loop heaps. Fair old ride to get out here just to do this track. So I think if I come out this way again, it'll be an overnighter somewhere, camping or an hotel, one of the two. There's so many tracks out here near Tenterfield. Do a few days out here and check them all out. This has been a pretty ride. So scenic, this track, just the mountains, track just flowing through them along the river. It's awesome. Stay there, horsies. Good job. Yeah, absolutely loving this track, so good. Get out here and ride it, guys, it's well worth it. If you can camp anywhere along this, if it's just public land or if it's private, there's nothing on the map saying camping spot there, but if you used fire pits, perfect spot. I'll definitely be back to Rocky River Road at some point. This track just keeps on giving. So good. Need to sort out this navigator. Ooh, maybe sort it out when I'm not moving, might be a better option. But the bracket there keeps rattling out. Stay there, buddy. So it's mounted to the crossbar, and then the other part that the Garmin is mounted to clicks in. And obviously it's an El Cheapo, but lately on these rougher tracks it's been coming out. Back over the Rocky River one last time, the old rickety bridge. Warning, ponies. Are they killer ponies? Is that why there's a warning? Are they going to come and get me? They're little ponies. See, they're fenced in. They can't attack anyone. Safety first out here, guys. Safety first. So, the mount isn't actually bouncing out anymore. It's actually just got a massive crack in it, because you see how much it overhangs, so that weight's obviously just eventually just bore that out. So she's on her last legs. Got that cable in the back, so if it does go, I'm pretty sure it'll just hang there and I can grab it or stop or whatever. But wants it to last at least till I get home today. What is this stuff I'm riding on? Haven't seen this in a little bit. Could it be the end of Rocky River Road? Oh, we're on Long Gully Road now, so maybe it is. Maybe that's the end of the dirt stuff. So I know Long Gully Road is the one that goes all the way to the Bruxner Highway, so yeah, it's good to tarmac the rest of the way, guys. Well guys, I'm back to the highway, right here, back to the old Bruxner Highway. Rocky River Road, tick, done. Awesome track, that was so much fun. What time have I got here? So that took about 2 hours 40 minutes for me to get from Tenterfield to here. That's with a bunch of stops along the way, obviously filming everything, so you could probably take a good hour off that, and probably that's what it would have took me if I just rode the whole way. But guys, a massive thanks as always for watching. It means so much to me. Make sure you hit that like button before you go, and subscribe as usual, because there'll be plenty more videos. I'm trying to do one a week, so that's my goal for this year. One video a week, no matter what it's about. Got to put one out every Sunday. That's my goal. I was 1 day behind the other week, but you can still count one a week if you average it over 7 days. There's been one a week so far this year, so try and keep the ball rolling. But yeah, thanks again for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, come and ride Rocky River Road. It's an awesome one. Thanks guys, catch us in the next video. I've got a long way home. See you later.